So you're looking to make money online and you're thinking to yourself, I'm completely broke, I don't have any skills, how am I ever going to do this? Well, let me tell you, that it's completely possible for you to do that. There are millions of people who make money online, and it's a lot easier than you think. Even if you're completely broke and you don't have any skills, we're going to go over some ideas for you on how you can make money online. And these are working today in 2020. They'll continue to work for years to come. So stay tuned and let's go ahead and get started. You can become an online consultant. Now, don't think, oh my gosh, I don't know anything that I could share with other people. You absolutely do have skills and you have things that you can share with other people. You can go to a website called clarity.fm and you can post your services there and be able to be a consultant to people. Now, I went in there and I put in physical therapy because that's my background. And some people make like $1.60 a minute, and some charge even more than that to consult with whatever skill that they have. Some people are charging $5 a minute, even more than that. So there's people that are talking about relationships. They have marketing skills. Let's say you know a little bit about YouTube marketing or Facebook marketing. You could be a consultant and charge a certain amount per minute. There's all kinds of things, cooking. Just think of everything that you know something about, and that may be a good site that you can go to list your services and just talk to somebody on the phone and give them nutrition advice, fitness advice, whatever it is that you know about. So that's the first thing that you can do, is to become an online consultant. The thing you can do, of course, is to sell things online. And anytime that I need money, I can definitely count on selling things online. I've sold many things on eBay. You can sell also on Facebook Marketplace. Anytime I've sold things, I always sell them for exactly what I wanted to get for them, and I had a bunch of people interested in it. So Facebook Marketplace, great way to make extra money. Just go around your house. There's probably so many things that you don't need that you can sell and make some good money. And if you're good with crafts, of course, Etsy is another great place that you can sell online. And then Mercari is another website where you can go and sell clothing that you don't wear, cell phones, all kinds of things, because most people don't wear majority of clothes that are in their closet. And I don't know about you, but I'm becoming more of a minimalist because I value freedom more over things. So I like to have just a few quality things and just sell everything. That I've done that many times when we've downsized. I've just sold completely everything almost that I own. So selling things online, another great way to make money from home. The thing I want to talk about is developing online courses. Now, don't think that you can't do this, because you absolutely can. I created a whole video on this technique, and I'm going to post it below this video so you can take a look at it in depth. But just an overview is Udemy is a platform where you can go and find courses that are paid as well as courses that are free. And what you're going to do with this technique is you're going to actually create your own courses for free, and you're going to model after other free courses that people have done, not copy them, but just get ideas and be able to make your own course. But the way that you're going to make money with this is you're going to have in your resources section affiliate links. So let's say you did a free course on an autoresponder called Kartra. That's like a page builder as well as an autoresponder. You can learn how to use this. You can do a free course on it. And then at the end of the resource section, you'll have your link to Kartra. So that's something that's a recurring income, but you can make as many of these free courses as you want, put as many links in your resource section as you want, and you do the work up front one time, and then you can continue to get paid over and over and over again. And this is just another stream of income. Any millionaire that you'll meet says that you need to create multiple streams of income. So some of these ideas you can take and do some of them or all of them, and you can have multiple streams of income. And I really like this idea with Udemy because, again, it can be a passive source of income where you can make money every single month by tools or resources that people use that you've referred them to in your resource section from your free course. The other thing that you can do is to become an online chat agent. You can get paid up to $20 an hour doing this. There are several sites that you can go to. The first one is thechatshop.com. Another one is staffchat.com, and then there's concentric.com where you can look at the careers there. But there's many opportunities online to become an online chat agent, and you'll just be answering people's questions. And this is, again, a great way. You can make up to $20 an hour, so this is a really good job that you can get online, make some good money. The thing you can do is to become an online translator. So if you speak more than one language, this is perfect for you. There's several sites that you can go to, Appen, Aberdeen, and a couple other ones, and I'll list all of these below in the resources section, as well as the other sites that I've talked about earlier. That'll all be in the resources section here. But if you love to translate, this is a great opportunity for you to make money from home. You can also publish your own ebooks. Now you may be thinking, oh my gosh, there's no way that I could write a book. Well, I think everyone has a book inside of them, and everyone has some sort of expertise that they can share with other people. Maybe you just have a unique spin on something that's already out there. And think about it, why are there so many books out there, like on personal development? Why would you want to buy any more books? Because you've already read books. Every person has something new to say, or something that's said in a different way. So you may have something that you're really passionate about, something that you're an expert on, like maybe you know something about nutrition that would help other people, like someone knows something about the gut and candida and can help people with depression and not have to be on medication. Things like that you just think, well, I don't really know anything, but when you sit down and start typing, you can come up some really, really great ideas that will help a lot of people. And then once you do the work up front one time, then of course you can make that money on the back end over and over and over again. But don't discount yourself, because there's probably a lot of things that you know, like my background's in physical therapy. I could write a book on back pain. I could write a book on gut health. There's so many things that I know on online marketing. So just sit down and brainstorm, like, what are all the things that I know something about? Like maybe you know something about relationships, or just anything you could think of to write an ebook on. I have a friend that's written several ebooks and he makes really good money. So this is something that you can do from home as well. Make some really good money, put the work in up front, and continue to make that money over and over and over again. You can become a content writer. And this is something, again, where you think, oh my gosh, I'm not that good at writing, but the more you do something, the better you're going to get at it. And a great site that you can go to is textbroker.com. You can get paid up to 5 cents per word, and people need content written. So this is a great way that you can get extra money from home, become better at writing. Of course, you can become a part of some of the other freelancing sites like Upwork and Freelancer, but I really like TextBroker. I actually did a video on this. I will post this in the description below as well, so you can look at this in more detail. So become a content writer, great way to make extra money as well. The last thing I want to talk about is making money from Google Adsense. You can do this either from having a blog or having a YouTube channel. And all you need to do is create content, and blogging is completely free. Of course, not completely free if you're going to use WordPress or something like that, some of the paid sites, but you could go to blogger.com, completely free, and start your own blog and be able to put ads on your blog. And then when people click on the ads, you make money. Now with Google AdSense on YouTube, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. But once you get that, you can apply for the Partners Program and, again, make money when people click on ads at the beginning of your videos, or if your videos are longer, like 10 minutes, you can place the ads in the middle and the end of your videos. And I make money every single day from Google AdSense. It's just an extra stream of income, and it's really exciting to see like the days that you make a lot of money because that money comes in every single day for me. You can start more than one channel completely free. And the best part about it is you can model after channels that are already getting millions of views and start to get a lot of traffic to your website. I'm going to post a free webinar in the description below, and you're going to have your eyes open to how much money you can actually make from YouTube. The person that teaches on this webinar, with just one of his channels, he makes $2,000 a day from people clicking on ads. So I highly recommend listen to this webinar if you're interested in making money from YouTube and Google Adsense. You never have to show your face on video. It does take some work, but it's just like real estate. You put the work in one time and you will continue to get paid over and over and over again. I have videos up from 10 years ago that I still make money from, and it's completely free. YouTube is completely free. You just, again, have to put the work in. So I hope you guys found some value in this and these ideas that you can make money from home. If you guys have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, subscribe to the channel if you want to learn more about how to make money from home and YouTube and personal development. And I do have my contact information below this video if you do need to contact me for any reason. With that being said, this is Karen signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.